Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing this buy-sell indicator that I found along with the trading strategy. I'm going to show you how to set up the chart and also how to use the indicators, long and short strategies, and I'll also show you a few examples of some of the trades I'll be making. But before we get started, I want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only, and you should always do your research before making any investment decisions. This buy-sell indicator strategy is a simple yet effective way you can trade any asset on any time frame. You can use it for crypto, forex, stocks, anything. It is a trend-based strategy, and it will include two indicators to identify entry and exit points. So the benefits are, first of all, it's easy to use. It doesn't require much technical analysis or any at all, to be honest. And it could also help you find excellent risk to reward ratios, and so you know where to put your stop loss. So the first indicator that we will be using is the linear regression handle, this one right here. And then after you click on that, we're going to go over to settings. So once you go to settings, you're going to go down to the inputs and you're going to change the signal smoothing from 11 to 7. As you can see, it looks a little bit messy on here, but that's just because we have an extra candle on here. So all you do to fix that is to go up here and click on the eye icon and it'll show up right away. So what this indicator does is it uses linear regression analysis in order to calculate the trend of an asset. The second indicator we're going to be using is called the UT bot alert. This one right here. After you click on that, you're going to go over to settings. We're going to change the key value to 2, and the ATR period we're going to change to 1. So this indicator is going to show you whenever a candle is opening, closing, and whenever a new candle is forming, and wherever the trend is going to be going based off of that data. So to use this indicator in the buy-sell strategy, we're going to change the alerts to show only the opening of a new candle. So now that we've got our indicators, we're going to move on to the strategy. So in order for a long to take place, what we need to do is we need to have a buy indicator right here, and we need to have a candle close above the regression line. For example, we take this trade right here, and we're going to be placing the stop loss right above the swing low. As for the exit, we will be taking the exit as soon as we see the first red candle, as you can see right here. So if we took this trade, we would have gotten a 0.63%. That's without leverage, of course. So if you would have used maybe 10x leverage on that trade, you would have gotten a 6.3%, which honestly is quite good. The trade only occurred over the period of less than an hour, maybe. So that is an excellent trade. The risk reward ratio is about 1.42, so it's okay. All right, let's do a couple more trades. We're going to enter this one right here, wait till the candle closes above the line, stop loss at the swing low, and then we will exit the trade at the first red candle. So that is almost a 1%. I'm going to do one more. This one down over here is actually quite long. So quite a low stop loss. I would say if the stop loss is a little bit too close, I would pull it down maybe a few extra points. You don't want to get stopped out, especially with Bitcoin. It's quite volatile. And then the first red candle, that would have been a 1.25. So those were 3 excellent winning long trades within a single day that played out. All right, as for our short strategy, it's pretty much the opposite. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to wait for a sell icon to appear. After we see that, we're going to wait for the candle to close below the line. So we would enter our trade right about here. Stop loss right at the local swing high, and then we will be moving our take profit, and we will hold it as soon as we see the first green candle right here. So our first winning short trade was about a 1%. Our second short right here, stop loss at the swing high, and then we would take profit at the first green candle. All right, a small win, actually almost breaking even, but still a profitable trade, and it happened, the trade closed within the matter of 20 minutes. All right, our next short right over here, we're going to take right here, swing high. This one I'd be a little bit cautious of because the candle, it seems, it has a wick right above the line, so the trade is still okay. But if most of the bar is at or on top of the line, I would not take the trade. All right, another winning short trade, 1.35%. So as you can see, it is a very accurate, very effective way in order to place trades. And again, it doesn't just work on the 5-minute, it can work on the 15-minute as well. I would even recommend it better on the 15-minute because typically I'm a little bit more of a swing trader, although on the 15-minute time frame, it's not much of a scalping. I prefer not to be at my computer for most of the day. I got a bunch of other stuff to do, but if you guys want to try it out, I'm sure it'd work definitely. Not just that, but you can use it for other currencies. For example, you can see right here, the Japanese yen, US dollar. This trade would have played out quite nicely. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Again, this short right here would have played out profit, buy, profit, short, profit, another winning trade. See, multiple examples of excellent winning trades. So the best part of this strategy, I would say, is that you can actually set up alerts for it. So if you don't want to sit there on your computer and wait for it to arrive, you can have the notifications go up on your mobile device or your email or whatever you have. So in order to do that, you want to right click, you're going to add alert. After that, you're going to click on UT bots, and then you're going to set one order for buy once per bar close. If you do not click on this, it's going to go off repeatedly and it's going to annoy the shit out of you. Create that alert, and then we're going to create a second alert in order to have the sell. All right, set this up, let them sit there, and there you go. That's all you need to do. You'll get alerts notified, so you don't have to sit there on your laptop all day. You can automatically know when to buy and sell into the trades. Anyways, the strategy, again, it's very simple. It's profitable, and it is very easy way. Little to no TA required on your part. I highly recommend using alarms so that you can get into these trades a little bit more rapidly. But yeah, I hope you guys found value out of this video. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you would click on the like button and comment below on any recommendations for future videos or strategies that you'd like to have me cover. And of course, subscribe in order to see my future strategies I'll be putting out. Of course, there are always going to be profitable strategies, and I will be doing a lot more back testing with the data and analytics in future videos. All right, thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.